Hello, today on the bench 1060 GTX 6 gigs version, bought from eBay with a description of error. That's it. That's all I know about this card. Taking a closer look, yeah, the stickers from the fans are gone. We have a single 6-pin here with slightly bent bracket, which is pretty common. Ports. Alright, can't see anything wrong there. That's alright. Okay, the entire thing is wobbly. It's rattling. Let's take a look here. It's PNY. This is how that looks. The warranty sticker. These screws are not screwed in all the way, that's why it's rattling. A bit dirty, but nothing major. Let's start probing first. Okay, this is the original thermal paste. That's unexpected because the screws are all over the place. So that's definitely weird. I didn't expect that. A slight corrosion. I think it's a corrosion. Yeah, it was used near the sea. So we have a slight corrosion on the fins. We have a tiny board here just for the fan connectors. That's cute. Okay, the fans, they may be alright. None of the screws are either original or very well screwed. Again, slight corrosion that indicates salt in the air. So we have all the power stages there. So that was also unscrewed, so we can take those off. Oh, sorry, the radiator. And look at the power stages. Visually, the MOSFETs look okay. RAM. This one is discolored. So we have, let's take this off. We have chip in here. So that's that. So A1, A0, B1, B0 is discolored. C1 is also discolored. X mining. The card does not have anything in terms of cooling the RAM, like 0. Maybe the air just goes through the fins onto the chips, but that's there's no direct contact between the memory banks and any of the cooling. So meh. And these are DDR6 if I'm not mistaken. Do we have any? No. 6 gig of GDDR5. Okay. So maybe that's fine. They're not getting as hot as the GDDR6. Ohms range. And see 12 volts. Good. 3 and 3 now. Yes, 3 volts is good. There we have 12 volts coming in from PCI. That this will be filtering. We have open. Oh, let's wait. No, we have about 1 kilo ohm. Right. Beep. Beep beep. Fuse alright. Current sensing resistor alright. Another current sensing here, alright. Fuse alright. Another fuse here. Is that a fuse though? But whatever it is, it's open. Oh. Yeah, no. I think that's a fuse. There is a connection. So that was my probing. It's fine. So the fuse is alright. Now let's check the GPU. Layer mode. And the first pair. 0.52 voltage drop. 0.52. And the last one, just to save some time. 0.52, very stable. 0.52. Right. Between 0.9, between 0.9. Yeah, GPU seems fine. Yeah. So I don't think we will have any problems here. Yeah, that's fine. Ohms range. Open. Good. Good. I think we're fine. That should be ground. And it is. Coils. Kilo ohms. Kilo ohms. And one here. Okay. Oh, I think I've measured it already. Alright, that's all fine. Gates quickly. That's fine. It's fine, fine, fine. All that is good. Power stage. Also fine. So, what was the error that the seller was talking about? Seeing the RAM slightly discolored, especially those two chips, I'm thinking this is X mining card, and the memory went away, so we will be probably having a go at changing those. R4C, Jesus, it says SK Hynix. Oh, again SK Hynix. I have plenty Samsung. I have some SK Hynix. Let me see what I have. R2C, R4C. So these are not the same. All right, I'll need to take a look at my stash. But I think first things first. I'll put the cooling back on the card and we will connect it to a test rig and see what it does. Okay, this is the extent I'm willing to put this card together. So only the mounting bracket and the radiator, but not even that good, but should be fine to just power on. So let's see. Okay, do we have anything here? Let's wait. No, we don't. Okay, I connected HDMI to my TV. Card is getting slightly warm right now. It's like something is happening. So turn on the TV. Okay, TV has no signal either. Decided to connect to the Intel card, and I'm getting exactly the same, which is nothing. I think there's something wrong with the power stages on it, and that I didn't see from the quick measurements I did. So let's measure it better. Each. And let's go through it more thoroughly. Oh, let's start here and let's measure this coil. 0.5 ohm, that's the coil. 0.4, 0.4, 10 ohms. Okay, weird. What else do we have? This one, 86 ohm, that's Vmin. Alright, this one a lot, and this one a lot. I don't know, I'm not trusting that. I need a small piece of wire. We don't have a short here. No. This. No. This. No. Yeah, I can't see any shorts. Let's change ground just for good measure. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Almost 1 amp. drawn by the chip, which maybe you're right, it's very low resistance. What if we try and inject here? Yeah, that's fine. Let's try inject 12 volts here. That's fine. Let's try inject 3. It's fine as well. Why don't work? And why there is this weird 10 ohm resistance on one of the coils? Yeah. Let's go and measure some voltages. Okay, so this one here is 5 volts. This one here is 1.1 volt pex. This one is 1.8. This one, and this one, these three, these are VCO, 780 millivolts. And this one at the very bottom is VMEM. And this is a bit high, is 1.4 volts instead of 1.3 or 1.35. And this measure 10 ohms. So we have either a short on one of the memory banks or the chip itself is shorted. The memory controller is just gone. So one of the two. Let's go and inject a bit more voltage because we can inject 1.3 volts easily onto this coil and see if something is getting hot. Okay, so I connected the wire to the coil and I wrote core memory not to forget. So I can now use this wire to connect to my bench power supply and have a better steady connection, and so I can also use my thermal camera at the same time. Okay, so bench power supply is connected and I'm using thermal camera, and unfortunately what is getting hot is the chip. So I have a 2.5 amp draw, steady draw. Yeah, the chip is, I wouldn't even need the thermal camera here. The chip is getting hot, so the memory controller unfortunately is done on this one. I can maybe go and try removing the first memory bank, and I'll probably do so. But I think this card is done. Why I'm not having anything? I can't buy anything good from eBay. The slight discoloration on the memory chips themselves. Yeah, maybe this was mine on and just memory controller couldn't handle, and the memory chips were getting hot. Yeah, I think it is time. I need a fume extractor though. Came out very nicely. I bet we don't have any more shorts. Let's check. No short? No way. No chip, no short. Yeah, that confirms it. Chip was done. That goes to, it bulged a lot, so that goes straight to the bin. I do have another one of these. I say. But I don't have BG rework station. Yeah. This one that I was taking the MOSFET from. I can't destroy this one, but before I'll get it off, let's see if there is any chance it will even work, because this card suffered a big explosion. So let's measure, turn on the multimeter, that would help. Let's measure here. Oh no, we have a short, a dead short on Vico. Now, is it this or this? Maybe, probably. So let's take first all the coils. It's the next day. So the discard is now cold. Let's check if we have any ohmage on the core. Oh, we have half an ohm. Alright. And here half an ohm. Here 75 ohms. I think I'm not done yet with this one. I will try to transfer this chip to this one, as well as I'll fit the memory back. So to be continued. So I took out everything from the board that have any value. 6 gigs of VRAM buffer and the chip itself. It came out very nicely. I've used my baker, so yeah, unfortunately I did bad. It fell off from my hands, being very hot. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's there. See, it shows under the light. So the chip was very hot, came off from my hand and smashed onto the floor, so it's no longer any good. So I need to postpone the work on this card. So yeah, thanks for watching.